Today I'm going to be doing a roadway excavation. Keep watching the video and I'll show you what I do. Hey guys, it's Jeff Lepard from doitallsealing.com. On this channel, we do asphalt repair, paving, driveway sealing, and much, much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So the reason why we're doing a roadway excavation is we're excavating for the electrician. This has been like this for a number of months. The conduit is actually exposed, which is not to code, it's illegal. On a roadway, conduit and electrical lines need to be buried at least 24 inches below the surface. So we're going to excavate that. We're not electricians, so we have an electrician coming in that will be making a new connection before we backfill. So this is not right. We're obviously going to get rid of this. Now we've already saw cut it out so that we can remove the existing asphalt and dispose before we can bring the excavator in to start the job. Right now I'm just going to use the pickaxe and I'm just going to clean out a small area so that my Bobcat loader can access the asphalt without getting too close to the conduit. We now remove the top layer of asphalt, so now we're ready to begin the excavation. Just going to turn on the excavator and begin. So we're back on site. The electrician has already made the connection. We've already started backfilling and we're compacting every 3 to 4 inches by hand tamping and our compactor, the plate tamper. So I'm gonna get in the Bobcat and continue. So now that the area is now packed with dirt, I'm going to remove the existing asphalt. So here's a little trick and tip. I've already made my saw cuts previously before I started the excavation, but I also made another saw cut on each side past the excavation site. And this is because I already had known that the excavator was going to damage the surrounding asphalt. Now when I repair the asphalt, it's going to be nice clean cuts. So I'm going to get in the Bobcat, remove the outer perimeter of the existing asphalt, dump that, Then I'm gonna put some granular A and it'll be ready for asphalt. So we're back with the asphalt. We've compacted every 3-4 inches. The ground is very solid, good base. So we're ready to begin. I'm gonna get in the Bobcat and begin installing the asphalt. So the asphalt's installed. I'm just gonna give it a final lute rake. Now I'm just gonna clean up the edges before I plate tamp. So that's it, guys. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all the upcoming videos, give us a thumbs up and like our video, share a video, and hey, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think and if you've ever done any excavation jobs or you have any jobs coming up. And we'll see you next time from DoItAllCealing.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.